Hi everyone, this is Zoe from TrueSource China. TrueSource is a professional manufacturer of Gypsum board systems. We exposed to 92 countries and regions. Today I'm going to talk about our aluminum ceiling. Our aluminum ceiling have high reflection and refraction against the light, and it has sufferance and scratch resistance. It's beautiful with mirror metal effort with beautiful looking. Our aluminum ceiling offer all kinds of aluminum ceiling with special accessories which make sure the easy and safety installation. They are ready to use at office, railway station, store, airport, and other larger areas. If you have any questions and needs, please contact us. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.